Hi guys, it's Jojo here and welcome back to my channel. So today's DIY project is inspired by this eye mirror that I saw online and I have wanted to make it for a while. So I decided to make something similar and wanted to share the process with you just in case you'd like to make something like this as well. So if you'd like to see how I did this, keep on watching. What you'll need for this DIY are your 2 embroidery hoops. So this is 12 inches and this is 7 inch. And then you'll need a mirror the size of the smaller hoop. And then you'll need your sandpaper, a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil, your bamboo sticks. I got this from Maira's Craft from Sarit Center. And then you'll need your hacksaw, ruler, your glue gun and your glue, but you can use wood glue if you don't have a glue gun. And of course you'll need something to hang your mirror on the wall. So this I got from a canned bottle of soda. So you just remove this part, and this is what you're going to use to hang. You'll start by unscrewing your hoops, since you're going to be using the inner loops only. And then take a piece of paper, your bigger hoop and your smaller hoop. We want to measure the center of the smaller hoop so that we can find the center and cut it on the larger hoop. So since this is 7 inches, we are going to find the center. So we've marked the center, and you're going to use this to know where we are supposed to cut on the larger hoop. Mark the area you're supposed to mark on the larger hoop and on this other side. Then take your hacksaw and you're going to cut this side and this other side. You can get these embroidery hoops anywhere on River Road. There are so many textile shops. So just go and ask for embroidery hoops, and they're usually between 75 to like 150, depending on the size that you want. After you're done, take your sandpaper and sand the edges so that they are smooth, and then do the same on this other side. Take the other piece and align it with the smaller hoop. So we are going to mark this point and you're going to cut it at 45 degrees angle, and then do the same on this other side. So we are going to cut these 2 parts. If you don't have a glue gun, you can use wood glue, since you're working with wood on wood, and you're going to apply the glue at the edge. I'm going to apply it here. And then we're going to apply it the center where the inner hoop touches this other one. So it's here. Now we are going to attach the bamboo sticks on top. So I'm just going to place them randomly and see how many I will use. So I'm going to attach the sticks at the points where I have marked. So apply a little bit of glue. So you can leave it like this, but I opted to do the lower part because the whole thing is supposed to resemble an eye. So I wanted to do the bottom lashes. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to, the sticks, I did cut the long ones into half, and this is what I'm using for the bottom part. So I'm still eyeballing. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the top part. The next thing you're going to do is pre-paint our eye before putting in the mirror. You've done pre-painting, you're going to turn over your eye, and then you're going to glue your mirror on the inside loop. So it's supposed to be like this. So we are going to apply our glue on top of the hoop all around. And then we are going to take our mirror and press it down like this. So you can place a book on top to make sure that the mirror adheres to the hoop. And then you're going to take our hangers and you're going to glue it on top here so that you'll be able to hang it well. So apply a lot of glue, and then it's going to be like this. Press it down and then apply on top. So we are going to wait for it to dry, and then you're going to hang. This is how our final product looks like. So we are going to hang it on the wall. But alternatively, you can also place it on top of a bookshelf or even your console table. Thank you so much guys for watching today's episode. Let me know down in the comment section below what you thought of today's DIY. And I have to confess, I loved doing this project because for one, the supplies are affordable and they're locally available. And also, you can do the eye mirror in any color that you'd like. You can do it in gold, silver, black, anything that you'd like. Even the size, you can do it big, If you want a small size, you can do that. The choices are endless. So if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below. So until next time, bye.